Everybody, Jackie here from Jay's Beautiful Jewels, and I am here to show you a really quick tip of how to print your labels if you don't have a label machine like a Dymo machine that costs like maybe $80 or so. And what I do is I buy the full sheet of label. This one has 2 labels in one. I don't know if you can see the partition, okay? And I got this packet from eBay, and it only costed me like $7.19, 0 shipping, and it comes with 200 labels, 100 sheets. So each sheet comes with 2 labels, and it's really simple to print it on your printer. So I have a Hewlett Packard, and my Hewlett Packard, I have to put my label with the where it prints down. Okay, you see how the back is? I have to put it this way, so when it prints, it comes out like this. So I'm gonna print one so you can see how it works. It is so simple. If you don't have a machine and you want to print your labels, your shipping labels on your printer, this is a great way and an economical way to print your labels. So I'm gonna put this in. Okay, and I'm going to put it facing down, and I'm going to print it now. I have an order here. I've already printed my invoice. Everything is good to go. All I need is the label. Okay, so while that is done, let me just X out of here. Okay, I'm gonna put the link below. I'm gonna check on eBay to see if it's still available, and I'm gonna put the link below for the item. Okay, and this is how it comes out. Okay, and it tells you to cut here, but what I do, I cut it closer. So let's cut this. Let's cut our label. Now if you have a one of those paper cutters, even better, because it'll come out, you know, nice and straight. But I'm just gonna take a chance here and do it with my scissors. I'm gonna cut all around this excess paper. Okay, and once I cut this, I have a corner cutter. Okay, this little device is amazing. It makes your corners look nice and round, and it looks professional. It has a large size, medium size, and small size. I'm gonna use the medium size, and I'll put the link below as well. I got this from Amazon many years ago, and it's still great. I love this device, and look how nice it looks, and you have your nice label. So let's put this label on the packet. Okay, and we're good to go. So I hope that this was helpful, and if you have any questions, pop your questions below, and I will be more than happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and share with your team or anyone that you think that can use this information. Okay, so take care, have a good day, bye.